That's what I did once.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, not yet. I will.
We have an arts and crafts day on Monday.
Oh, okay. This is all being recorded. This is the intro for this
Oh,
video.
man. Oh my God.
Okay. Tell me if these are mutually exclusive or not. We draw a face card, and a club is selected. They are not mutually exclusive because you can have a face card that is a club, right? Do we all have our picture of our deck of cards? Or have it in our head?
Nothing's in my head.
All right. So these are not mutually exclusive. I'm going to use NME for not mutually exclusive because I'm too lazy to write out all those words.
Fair enough.
I have it.
Okay, so because you can have a club that is a face card, i.e. you can have the jack of clubs, or the king of clubs, or the queen of clubs, there's overlap, right? So they're not mutually exclusive. So this is NME, not mutually exclusive. NME. All right. You roll 2 dice. The dice both show, regular dice, show the same value. And then event B is the total score is 11. Can you have the same 2 numbers that add up to 11?
No.
So are they mutually exclusive or not?
Yes.
Mutually Emmy. They're Emmy. Okay. Okay, we draw some cards from a deck. Event, tell me which ones are mutually exclusive. We draw a face card and we get a club. Are those mutually exclusive? No, because you can have a face card that is a club. We draw a face card and we get an ace. Those are mutually exclusive, right? Because you can't have a face card that is an ace. So A and C are mutually exclusive. We draw a face card and we get a red card. Those are not mutually exclusive. If we select a club and an ace, can you get the ace of clubs?
No.
Yes, you can.
Ace
So,
of clubs? Oh, I thought the ace was
so those are not mutually exclusive. If you draw a club, can it be a red card? No, so those are mutually exclusive. Okay? Okay. Venn diagram. Which of these events are mutually exclusive? So if they're mutually exclusive, they don't overlap, right?
Yep.
So which ones don't overlap? AB, AC, AD. What else? B and D. Right? B and D don't overlap. All right. Does that make sense? Okay, now the math. Use the following information to determine whether the events A and B are mutually exclusive. Okay, so if they're mutually exclusive, then that means P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B. If mutually exclusive. Right? That's the definition. Because there's no overlap, right? So that means if you look back here, I'll put it back up in a sec. That's this. Which is this formula. It's just this overlap is 0, right? So that's why it goes away. So, are these? So we just test it. We go, okay, does 7 over 12 equal 1/4 plus 1/3? Fractions? We like fractions? No. 3 over 12 plus 4 over 12 is 7 over 12. Therefore, they are mutually exclusive. They are me. Therefore, me. Okay. Venn diagrams. We got a grade 9 class. They're surveyed to find out whether they did math homework or English homework last night. All right. Venn diagram shows the percentage. How many people did math homework? What percentage?
47 plus 16.
47 plus 16. It's just the number of people that did math homework. These people did math homework, but so did these people, right? So it's 40 plus 16%. Whoa. 63%.
Oh, God.
Marco. Don't. Stop. All right. How many people, what's the percentage that did math and English? 16, the overlap. How many people, the percentage did math or English?
47 plus 25. Is it and or?
Well, these people did some math,
Plus 25.
these people did some English, and these people did both.
Okay, but is it and or?
47, it's not 72, plus 25, plus 16, which
I
is,
think that's up to you.
Or you just subtract 12 from the whole thing.
yes, that's the other way you do it.
Oh, there's 12 people who didn't do anything?
This number is, represents the people who did nothing, right?
I didn't even see that there. I thought that
So
was
you either, if you did math or English, they did math, they did English, you did both, so that counts. So you just add those, you get 88, or you just go, well, math or English, that's everybody who did something. So you can go 100 minus the 12% gives you that. That gives you, okay?
So this is a genuine question though. So or would encompass people who did both as well.
Unless they
Like
specified,
always.
they would say, did math only,
Okay.
or did English only. You
Okay.
could say that. That would exclude the middle bit, right?
Okay.
But if you say did math or English, and you just kind of,
Wouldn't it be an exclusive or though?
what?
Yeah, no, it would.
Did math and your pay or English only. I think that's-
Yeah, that's what I
know, but
just,
it's not specifying whether or not it's exclusive or inclusive.
thank you. Okay. A card is drawn from a standard deck of 52 cards. Use formulas to determine the probability a 9 of diamonds or a heart is drawn. Okay. So we draw from a deck of cards. What is the probability we get a 9 or a heart? Are these mutually exclusive? Can you have a 9 of hearts?
No, because it's a 9 of diamonds. So you can't.
Is it a diamond?
Yes. It's
Oh, sorry. 9 of diamonds or a heart. Are they mutually exclusive?
Yes.
Yes, they are, right? Because you're not going to have 9 of diamonds and it's a heart. So if they're mutually exclusive, that means the probability of 9 of diamonds. That's awesome diamond. Probability of a heart. Look at this. That's a diamond. Right? Because they're mutually exclusive, I can just add the probabilities together. Because it's or. So what's the probability of getting a 9 of diamonds?
1 out of 52.
1 out of 52. There's only one card in the deck. What's the probability of getting a heart? 13 out of 52.
This for decimals would be the best thing ever.
14 out of 52, or 7 out of 26, or I don't know what that is as a decimal. Some number.
We like practice.
Okay. A probability of a 9 or a heart. Can you have a 9 of hearts? Yes, you can. So this is not mutually exclusive, right? So that means, you ready for my drawings again? 9 or a heart. That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. Is equal to, because they're not mutually exclusive, they're NME, is equal to the probability of a 9 plus the probability of a heart minus the probability of a 9 of hearts.
Wait, so 9 or hearts is not including the overlap.
What?
Based on that, it doesn't include the overlap in what
Be-
the 9 or hearts is.
Because it's not mutually exclusive.
Yeah, so you would think, when you say what's probably, this or this being true, you don't include the number in the middle.
Yeah.
The overlap.
Yeah.
Earlier, in the earlier
Yeah.
question, you did include it. You included
Math
the
or
16.
English. Oh, in the math or English or
Yeah,
what?
you included the 16%.
Wait, aren't we
Right.
also?
So,
Hang on. No, because, let's do this and then we'll talk about that.
what? Okay.
What's the probability of a 9?
4 out of 4.
Thank you. 4 out of 52. Hearts?
1 out of 4.
1 out of 4. 13 out of 52. Minus 1 out of 52. Do all that math, you got 4 out of 13. You're welcome. That looks like a B.
Yeah.
4 out of B.
Oh my god.
Are we gonna-
No, I want to finish this, and then
You said you would finish that one?
I want to finish this because we have one more question to do. Because I feel like you're the only one that cares about this.
No, because it's not different.
Hang on. All right. 200 people with neurology symptoms, which include headaches and backaches, participated in a study to evaluate pain relief. All people took the medicine, and the results were as follows. 60 people experienced headache relief, 126 people experienced back relief, and 36 experienced both. Okay. So there's a couple ways you can do this. You can do it with just formulas, or you can do it with a Venn diagram. We're going to use Venn diagram. We're going to do it both ways, but I'm going to draw the Venn diagram because sometimes that's a good way to do it. So there is overlap here because there's people that experience both. B for backaches, H for headaches. Marco, stop. Okay. There is 200 people in the study. 36 people experienced relief from both. So where does the 36 go? Right in the middle. 36. 60 people experienced headache relief. So what number do I put here?
60 out of 2.
You have to subtract this. 60 minus 36. So 24 people.
So it's not 60 people experience strictly headache.
Yeah, they would have to say strictly. So 60 people had,
Oh yeah, because it adds up to 200.
yeah. How many people experienced backache relief? Just backache relief, I guess is what I should say.
90.
126 minus the overlap, so you get 90. How many people experienced no relief?
Oh, does it not add up to 200?
Well, what's 90 plus 36 plus 24?
I scored really great question.
50 people experienced no, yes, because that's 150. So this adds to 150, so there's 50 people that got nothing out of it. That make sense? Okay. What's the probability that the person who takes the drug experience at least relief from one of the two symptoms?
So this is D or H.
So, yeah. Those people got some symptom relief. Those people did. And those people did. What would be the shortcut way to do it? Yeah. These people got none. We're talking about people who at least got something, right? So you either add all that together, get 150.
That's PPO, right?
Right? So 150 out of 200, which is 3 out of 4. 75%. Okay. How many people got relief from none of the symptoms? Or the probability?
25%.
Oh. Yeah. 50 out of 200, which is a quarter, which is 25%. Basically, it's the opposite of this one, right? There you go. You complimented that one. Was that okay? Other than Carter? All right, peoples, here's what I'd like you to do. 2, 3, 4. And then 5. 6, and I think we should definitely do 7, 8, 9.
So like all four.
Almost all of them, basically, except for 1 and 10. I probably just could have said exclude 1 and 10.
Yeah.
Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 2 to 9,
There you go.
or the complement of 2 to 9, which is 1 and no, the complement of 1 and 10. I know. Sorry, and it's still recording.
You could just say 2 to 9.
I
Oh my goodness.